What makes a great travel camera? Is it the image quality, compact size, or the ability to capture those spontaneous, once-in-a-lifetime moments? Maybe it's all of these. Today, we're diving into some of the best travel cameras you can take on your adventures in 2024, each with unique strengths tailored to different styles of exploration. So, whether you're planning a rugged outdoor adventure or a luxurious city escape, there's a camera on this list that's perfect for you. 5. Lastly, for those who value style as much as substance, the Fujifilm X-T30 II is a fantastic option. Imagine capturing the charm of a historic city with the X-T30 II's retro design, reminiscent of classic film cameras, but packed with modern features. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to carry, yet it doesn't compromise on image quality. With Fujifilm's renowned X-Trans-C MOS sensor and X processor, this camera delivers vibrant colors and stunning detail. Whether you're shooting bustling street scenes or serene landscapes, the X-T30 II's fast and accurate autofocus system ensures you'll never miss a shot. The camera's ability to record 4K video adds to its versatility, making it a solid choice for those who want to capture both stills and high-quality video. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it simple to share your adventures with the world, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand the demands of travel. 4. If versatility and zoom power are what you need, then the Panasonic Lumix TZ200 is your ideal travel companion. Picture yourself on a safari, capturing a close-up of a lion lounging under a tree without disturbing it, thanks to the TZ200's impressive 15x optical zoom. This camera covers a focal range equivalent to 24-360 m, allowing you to shoot everything from expansive landscapes to distant wildlife with ease. Equipped with a 1.0-inch MOS sensor and Venus Engine image processor, the TZ200 ensures high-quality images with excellent detail and performance in low light. Its fast autofocus system and built-in electronic viewfinder make it easy to capture sharp, well-composed shots, even in bright sunlight. The TZ200's 4K video recording capabilities make it a great choice for travel vloggers, allowing you to document your journeys in high definition. Its compact size means you can slip it into a pocket or small bag, making it ideal for travelers who want a powerful camera without the bulk. 3. Olympus OM-DEM5 Mark II, the lightweight performer. For those who appreciate classic design and cutting-edge technology, the Olympus OM-DEM5 Mark II is a perfect fit. Imagine strolling through a busy market in Marrakesh or wandering the narrow streets of Venice with this compact, lightweight camera slung over your shoulder, ready to capture the vibrant colors and dynamic scenes that unfold before you. Its design echoes the iconic Olympus OM-SLR cameras, but inside, it's all modern. This Micro Four Thirds camera offers a great balance of portability and performance, with a robust 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that ensures sharp images even in low light or when shooting handheld. The weather-sealed body gives you peace of mind in unpredictable weather, while its powerful autofocus system excels at tracking moving subjects, making it perfect for street photography or wildlife encounters. Its fully articulated screen allows for creative angles, and it records high-quality 4K video, making it versatile enough for both stills and video. The only downside? Its battery life could be better, so it's wise to carry a spare if you're out shooting all day. 2. If your travels involve action and adventure, the GoPro HERO10 Black is a must-have. Imagine diving into the turquoise waters of the Maldives, capturing every splash and ripple, or skiing down the snowy slopes of the Alps, with every twist and turn recorded in stunning 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. The HERO10 is not just a camera, it's a gateway to reliving the thrill of your adventures. GoPro's top-tier image stabilization smooths out even the roughest footage, so you don't have to worry about shaky hands or bumpy rides. Its rugged, waterproof design means you can take it anywhere underwater, into the mountains, or even attached to the wing of a plane. And with a front-facing screen, it's also perfect for vloggers who want to ensure they're always in the frame, no matter where the journey takes them. While newer models like the HERO11 and HERO12 have hit the market, the HERO10 offers excellent performance at a more affordable price. If you're looking to save even more, older models like the HERO9 still provide impressive capabilities, albeit with fewer frame rate and resolution options. 1. Imagine holding the power to capture breathtaking landscapes and intimate portraits in the palm of your hand. That's the magic of the Sony RX100 VII. It may look like an ordinary point-and-shoot camera, but don't let its compact size fool you. This little powerhouse boasts a Zeiss Vario Sonnar T24-200 mf/2.84.5 lens, offering a versatile zoom range that can handle everything from wide-open vistas to detailed close-ups of distant subjects. Perfect for travelers who want high-quality images without the bulk of a DSLR. With a 1.0-inch Exmor RSC MOS sensor paired with Sony's latest BIONZX image processor, the RX100 VII delivers sharp, detailed images even in low light. Imagine capturing a stunning sunset over the mountains with minimal noise or shooting in a dimly lit cafe in Paris without compromising quality. This camera's fast autofocus system, which uses both phase and contrast detection, ensures you won't miss those fleeting moments that make travel unforgettable. Video enthusiasts will appreciate its 4K recording capabilities, allowing for high-quality video capture with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. Add in features like S-Log3 and Hybrid Log Gamma for advanced color grading, and you've got a compact camera that's a favorite among both amateur and professional videographers.